visiting our new office. This is the working station. And then reception. And then this is another working station with balcony. Wow, nice. May with balcony. Parang dito yung office ni boss. With balcony. It's a long balcony. And then this is another. Oh, I can put my files here. And then this is conference room.
Yes.
You will take the plan. Can I have your plan?
It's only furniture. This is furniture. This is my boss. Boss room only.
This is?
My boss.
Boss. So the boss will be here, but there is no balcony. I think boss want that balcony area. Wala, no balcony, but boss area. Oh, we can take showers. No need to go home.
Binigyan mo ba?
Oo. And then, this will be the pantry. Oh. Nice pantry. It's big. Oh, may mga files din dito. May cabinet.
Yeah, we're taking it actually. Kasama kaya itong mga pesa? Wala, ano siya? Binigyan mo 10, diba ito?
Guess a powder room only. There is no, okay. Meron din naman pala. There is, what you call this? Yeah, okay. Ladies can use this.
This gents also.
Gents.
Gents. Because gents here and
Boss, doesn't want here, then if boss, for sure boss wants the balcony.
Yeah, with balcony.
With the balcony there.
Balcony?
Yeah,
No.
because
other side.
pwede accounts kami ni Jitin doon. Here, pero ako parang
Dito si,
parang masyadong malaki din dito actually.
itong balcony. Alin?
Ito, kung isa lang si Amo siya masyadong
Hmm?
di ba?
No, boss and Akib and Shaina.
Cost and operation.
This place?
Yeah, because he will like this. He will like this balcony na.
But he wants for sure the balcony.
He will, ay, pagka. See? Nice. Because on that area, the balcony is long. This is short.
Only for boss need to the balcony, no?
Sa only partition, pwede yung partition to.
Partition, why?
Sir, you want that one table, meeting room?
Okay.
But if our table,
Ang liit. Saan ko ilalagay yung ano ko? Saan ko ilalagay yung aking monitor? Napakalaki. Diba?